Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to undo edits in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in the Lightroom app, it usually opens up in the gallery. From the gallery, after it loads, we have to select the picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. You select the picture, and in the top of the screen you find this little clock icon with an arrow that points to the left. We tap on this, and then if we did some edits, let's say I do some edits to this picture, if we did some edits, we can tap on this and undo it by tapping on the arrow that points to the left. We can undo these edits. Same way we can undo the undoing of the edits and go forward in editing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.